In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download and install Skype on your Windows 10 or 11. Click on Start, then search here Store. Open Microsoft Store. Now search here Skype. Select Skype application. Click on Get. Now wait for a few minutes till this downloading process will complete. Once you see installing complete, click on Open. Now sign in your Skype account with your email and password. So this is the way, guys, you can download and install Skype on Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.